She like when I rap, but love it when I sing to her. She can't get enough, and I can't get enough.
Yo, it's your girl Lashaii, whatever you want to say. I is back with another video. If you're new viewer, what's good, what's poppin'? If you're a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin' as well, bitch, okay? Okay. So yes, y'all got some new hair and bitch, yes, and so in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I bleached this hair, dyed the hair, and installed the hair, okay? I try to make it as organized as possible because I like to watch organized videos. I'm gonna go into detail with you guys on how I did this, the journey, because bitch, I had to revive this wig. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna post what the wig looked like when I received it, because I let the girl dye and she was saying that the color didn't take. So I'm like, maybe it's processed hair, because processed hair don't take color. And I got it, I was like, okay, well, let me figure out what I want to do. So I ended up risking to bleach it again and do it all over. And I wanted indigo blue, but I just felt like it may have not turned out right. So I just went with this color, and it's like a orange, brown, red. So yeah, so this hair is from this hair was sent to me from Luxy Tresses. This is the bag it came in. It's a cute little bag, white bag with the pink font. And inside is these cute little cards, like promo cards. Not really promo, but... And on the back it says, "Hey Kai, thanks so much for choosing to work with us. I hope you love your 14-inch deep wave lace front wig." And it says, "XOXO Mila." Girl, I'm so sorry. Your name is so pretty. Mila. I kept saying it wrong. I do have a discount code, Kylashaiibooking, for money off of your purchase. And so far, I do like the hair. Surprisingly, it took 2 bleaching. And it's still, you know, still good texture. The deep wave, the curls still here. I wet it, went right back to curly. So I can say that the hair isn't bad so far because of what I did to it, and it still has the good texture. Just to give you guys like a little glimpse, the 10 inches $50, 60 inch $80, frontal prices 18 inches $160, 10 inches frontal $120, closure prices 12 inches $80, 18 inches $95, and all full lace wigs starts at $285. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media, and turn on your post notifications so y'all know when I post a new video. Okay. Alright, y'all, so this is all the stuff that I use. I'm showing you guys everything that you're gonna need. Honestly, I only use 1.5 bottles of dye, so yeah, I just wasted my money, but it's okay. All the stuff you can get at your local beauty supply store. The Adore hair dye, I know Sally's don't sell it, so you gotta get that at like the beauty supply store. And this is what the wig looked like prior to me touching it. So when I got it, this is how it... Now, I didn't get it from the girl that sells hair. I didn't get it from her. It was the girl that was supposed to dye it. So don't do that. But yeah, so this is how it looked before. Honestly, I don't be measuring nothing. When I'm cooking, I don't measure. I never measure shit. But if y'all measure stuff, go ahead. But I just was eyeballing it to see, you know, and obviously I had to. I don't know why I thought that was gonna mix it, so I had to go get a fucking fork. So yeah. But so I just had to keep adding a little bit more just so it would be like a thick paste. Not too thick and not too watery. So I do spray the lace with the Got To Be spray, the freeze spray, so that it won't go through. So I'm gonna start bleaching the hair. Yo, it just looks... I was just scared the whole time me doing this because I didn't know how it was gonna turn out. But bitch. Ugh. So yeah, I'm just gonna be bleaching the hair, and you guys can see the process of me bleaching it. Y'all can start to see how the color's changing on that side, and bitch, it's ugly. It was just looking so bad, and I was like, I can't stop now. Let me just continue. So yeah, y'all can see that at the top it's like that bright blonde color, and at the bottom it's that ugly green, and it's getting lighter by the fucking second. It's just getting worse. Like, it was just horrible. So I'm just trying to make sure I get all the little spots, and then I see that it's some more in the back, so I had to, you know, get that. the Shimmer Lights conditioner after I did it. I just didn't record it because I wasn't gonna do it, but I was like, maybe this may help the color. I mean, it didn't really, but I mean, I just wanted to think it did. So yeah, I just used the Shimmer Lights conditioner after I rinsed all the bleach out. So I had some boiling water. It wasn't boiling where it's gonna burn my skin. It was just like really hot. So I did 2 pots of those, and I put the whole bottle of the Orange Blaze color into the hot water. And I'm just gonna stir it up, make sure it's all, you know, dissolved into the water. You don't want clumps left in it, because I feel like, which I'm telling y'all, like, I don't know what's gonna happen if we leave clumps. So I mean, if you wanna leave clumps, go right ahead. You'll see what's gonna happen. Just let me know what happens if you leave clumps. But then I do use half a bottle of the 72, the paprika. I use just a little, not even half. But so I'm gonna mix that into the concoction as well. Y'all, look at this fucking wig. Bitch, that shit is so ugly. Look at that. I had no hope whatsoever until I started dipping it in there. I said, oh, it's doing a little something. So y'all can see that it's taken. But I was just scared because look at the wig. It's just ugly. So I just started dipping it in there, and it's starting to change the color that I wanted to. So I just started dumping the shit in there, honestly, just dumping it in there. So eventually I just left the wig in the water, like I let it soak in the water for like 20 minutes, probably. I could be lying to y'all, I don't really know, but yeah, I let it soak in there. And then I took it out to rinse it off. So I rinsed all the dye out, like make sure it all got out. And I'm gonna just use some of the shampoo that I got from Sally's. Girl, Sally's had the little sample, they're not really samples, but they're just real small. So they had those for like $3. So, you know, I grabbed that. So I just decided to wash their hair with that shampoo, the Shea Moisture. I mean, I know some people, like, you know, if you're more advanced with doing hair, you get certain types of shampoo for certain types of things, but bitch, I don't know what I'm doing like that. So I'm gonna do what I do best, wash their fucking hair with shampoo. So I just washed their hair out really good, and I let it air dry because I wasn't about to sit here and blow dry it. Yo, yesterday night I had to go get my nails soaked off because bitch, they was hurting. Like I couldn't do shit, so yeah, I had to start today. But this is all the stuff that you're gonna need to install the wig, tweezing it, all that good shit. So the part was initially already on the right side, but I wear my part on my left side because that's just my good side, bitch. You know everybody got their good side. So I started to like make the part onto the left side, so I had to pluck it and everything and tweeze it to make it go to the other side. So when it comes to tweezing the hair, it's not really no right or wrong way. I mean, it is the wrong way to tweeze all the hair out and you don't got no hair, so you made the shit bald. But what I do is I just be plucking it until I feel as though the hair is not as thick, because you don't want the front of your hair to look so thick where people know it's fake. But so I was just tweezing it, bitch, just tweezing it. So I mean, it's just tweeze it to your liking, honestly. done plucking and everything, I went back and just wet the hair, like not washed it, but I just wet it up so it can give me back the curly look that I was looking for. And I just put a t-shirt over top to let it soak. So here's the wig. I just wanted to see how this is my first time ever putting it on my head, so I wanted to see how it looked and everything like that. So I started cutting the lace, and bitch, this was hard because I couldn't really see what I was doing, and I was scared I was gonna cut too much off or cut the hair or cut myself, one of the two. But so I ended up just getting up and going to the mirror, so y'all don't really get to see as much as I wanted y'all to, but bitch, it was better safe than fucking sorry. So I used the Got To Be glue to use, you know, to glue it down. I don't really use like the bold hold, all the other stuff, because I like to take my wig off. Like I just like to take it off. So that, you know, the Got To Be glue lasts for like 2-3 days, kinda. Just gotta keep touching it up. But yeah, so you just let it blow dry. Don't let it dry up where though it's not gonna stick no more, just till it's tacky. And then you start pulling the hair down. And I use the comb. You can use the rat tail part like I'm doing now, just to like smush it down. Because if you use your finger, you won't get the hair mixed into it. It's just a lot. But so I'm just trying to make sure it's like, you know, level. And another thing that I realized I don't want to do, my other wig cap, it doesn't look like this. And this is the wig cap I got from, you know, the little hair store down the street. But I didn't like this wig cap, so I'm not going to wear this one next time I put this wig on. I'm going to wear my other ones. It's seamless, pretty much. So then you just blow dry it, make sure it's sticking down. I use my finger, like, so, because I really want to feel it. Because the comb, you don't feel it, because it's not your finger. So I always use my finger, you know, push it down, make sure it's good. And I use my razor to cut. But see, honestly, it already had baby hairs on the wig, so I didn't really have to do much, you know. But so yeah, yo, this is the masterpiece. This is the final fucking product. I did really good, I think, for the first time in my life. I did something good. But I hope that this video was very helpful for y'all. If y'all want some more videos like this, let me know. I'm gonna do another color. Make sure you subscribe too, though, bitch.